Hey everybody, welcome to this English listening practice lesson. You can turn on subtitles in your language in the YouTube settings. In the description, you can find the key vocabulary from this video. Let's begin our lesson now. We value your time. Today, I want to share with you my morning routine. This is something we all have, and it's a great way to learn new words and practice the English language. Every morning, I wake up at 6:30 a.m. The first thing I do is turn off my alarm clock. I know it's early, but starting my day early gives me more time to do things. After getting out of bed, I go straight to the bathroom. I brush my teeth with toothpaste and a toothbrush. This is important for keeping my teeth clean and my breath fresh. Next, I wash my face with water and soap. It helps me wake up and feel refreshed. After that, I comb my hair with a comb. I look in the mirror to make sure everything looks good. Then, I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. Breakfast is very important because it gives you energy for the day. I usually have a cup of coffee and some toast with butter. Sometimes, I eat cereal with milk. While I eat, I like to listen to the radio or read the news on my phone. It's a good way to learn what's happening in the world. After breakfast, I get dressed for work. I choose a shirt, pants, and shoes that are comfortable and look nice. I make sure to dress appropriately for the weather. If it's cold, I wear a sweater and a coat. If it's warm, I might choose a t-shirt instead. Before I leave my house, I pack my bag for work. I put in my laptop, my notebook, and pens. I also take my keys and my phone. I check the weather one more time to see if I need an umbrella. Rain can surprise you. Finally, I say goodbye to my family and leave my house. I either walk or take the bus to work. I enjoy looking at the streets and the people. It's a nice way to start the day. Remember, everyone's morning routine is different. What's important is starting your day well. This helps you be ready for learning and speaking English. What's your morning routine like? Congratulations! You just finished an English listening lesson. In the description, you can find key words from the video. You can practice them in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel to work on English together. Have a good day and take care of yourself.